did it again. We kind of forgot to do an intro. Might be nice for y'all to know what we're going to be doing here. If you're wondering where Pearl's at, she's behind in a little silver Accord, following along. We are on our way to Hueston Woods, and we're going to stay there all week. And this is what I think is my version of work camp. I got to go to work during the week, and I'm going to come home and camp. So that's my version of work camp. Currently we're going through a little town, Germantown, and it's a short drive. And since it's such a short drive, we didn't bring the dolly, so there's no reason to deal with it and all the dolly follies that go along with it. And guess that's pretty much it right now. So I will get us moving and put a little bit of music on and see you when we get to the woods. Actually, Hueston Woods State Park.
You need to check in.
I think we're going to do that here at the window.
Okay.
Well, it is a Saturday, and we got here Friday, and we did no YouTubing, did we? No. No. It was hot.
We were done.
Done. Yeah, it was 95 degrees, and the heat indices were in the hundreds, and we were cooked and done and staying in the trailer. And that doesn't make for fun YouTube, does it?
No,
No.
not really.
No.
But the storm last night would have.
Oh, yeah, the storm would have, yeah. And I didn't do anything with that, so.
No, but you can see here on
yeah,
the ground.
Speaking of which, we have a pond going here.
And there was like a ton of bugs on the front of the camper.
Yeah.
We drove through some bugs on the way here.
Yeah. They still here?
And I think the rain washed a lot of it off.
Yeah, let's see how bad it is.
It's really soggy right now.
Oh, there's still a few,
There's
but
some,
you
but
can
not
kinda-
like it
yeah.
was. I mean,
not quite as
the
bad.
remnants are there, but the bugs
Yeah.
themselves are pretty much.
Anyways,
yeah.
so we're when we parked, I pulled
We were
forward,
trying to figure out. where
trying to
put the
figure out,
car.
and Pearl thought,
Let's do the front.
pull forward. Well, no,
Yeah, you.
put the car in the front, and
yeah.
the RV in the back, and
Yeah.
that's what she was wanting to do.
Yeah.
Well, we did what I wanted to do, and we have a lake.
We're in the water.
We're in the water, and back here is dry.
Yeah.
So,
For this time anyway.
so
I
should have
right.
listened to. Yeah, look at that look. Yeah. So, anyways, I should.
This time. I'm not always, but this time
Yeah.
it would have worked better.
All right, so we're gonna move the RV back. So Pearl's gonna move the car out, and this will also give you a quick idea of how hard it is to move one of these if you just want to move it like.
And the reason why
6
we're
feet.
doing that is because there's supposed to be storms again this
Yeah,
afternoon.
more rain's coming, and
Possibly.
it's all wet. And
It's already soggy. So.
oh, another good YouTube would have been last night.
Yeah.
I had to put the awning down in the middle of the storm, put the awning up, so
She did.
because I didn't do that. So I need to unhook power first. So we'll get the power unhooked.
Yeah, just let me know what you want me to do when.
All right, so I'm gonna pull the power cord in.
Hold this for you.
Yeah, hold that for me. Ah, she's gonna hold.
I'll hold it.
Can't work my Pearl. Let's kill the power.
Oh, there goes the air.
There goes the air. Back.
You probably don't need to do anything with the slides, do you?
I'm gonna pull them in. I'm
How
not
are you?
moving. Yeah, I gotta put the slides in. So you can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna get the slides in, and then move it back.
Okay, so I'm ready to.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. So I gotta put these two slides in real quick. I was being reminded by Pearl that there's a few things around the slides, and I was getting ready to go check all that anyways. It's dark in here. There's a couple pairs of shoes, so everything's out around the slides. So, first slide going in. Good enough. Okay. This is in here. Pick that up. You're clear here. Clear there. Seats forward. And slide going in. All right, almost done. Open up my curtain so I can see. Get the other curtain. Okay, get my driver's seat open. And then get Pearl radio so you can back me up. So, all right. So, retract the jacks. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the antenna up because we're just backing up a few feet. So we stay here until this light goes off. Okay, lights off. Starting it up. Okay, pull the park and brake. In reverse. Okay, Pearl, moving back.
Ready. Good.
All right, and that was that. So do everything in reverse and we're done. There comes Pearl. There comes Pearl. Through all that bug smear. So we'll put down the front jacks. Okay, drop the rear jacks until we feel a bump. Okay, so we're like here, so I need to move over, so that means I need to do the right jack, right rear jack. Okay, then we raise the front. And I can't see the dot because of my eyes. There we go. All right, that took a couple tries, but got it level. So next to put the slides back out and we're done. Hook up the power too, turn on the AC. Pearl's driving.
Yeah, look out.
Look out, I get to play. That means she won't be spinning pokey stops. All right, so we're heading for a covered bridge.
So, I keep going.
That's what the thingy says.
This is a big campground.
Mm-hmm.
Take the next right.
This one? Where the lady is?
No, let's keep going.
Right here?
Nope.
Oh, up here I keep
Yeah.
going. Okay. Wow. When we're in a campground and it says take the next right, that's a little confusing. On the different
A
colors.
bunch of Jeeps go by.
Oh, that's cool. That
We had
one.
we had a Jeep party.
Yeah.
Keep going straight.
Oh, cool. Isn't that neat? We have to go slow?
Yeah, we'll get back.
Wait, do you want me to clean the windshield?
We'll come back to
Okay.
it.
Oh, look at that. So how do we...
You have arrived.
I
Is there a
think
way
we
to
can.
put, is there like a hole off up here?
Well, we
Looks
can.
like
There's a
from
camp.
that-
There's a right
yeah,
there.
This is right. Yeah. There is a hole off.
With picnic areas too.
Yeah. Oh, neat.
Actually, there's a picnic area on the other side too. That looks a little
Yeah.
better.
Yeah, that one.
And we'll go
Oh,
back.
there's a tr-
We'll go
Oh, you
back
wanna
onto
go-
the other side.
Want to go to the other side?
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Petroglyphs, modern petroglyphs. Yeah. Oh,
Isn't that pretty? Kind of reminds you of the
look what
Smokies
Pearl
a little
found.
bit. Except the water's not as clear.
I expect this. So all this right here at Hueston Woods State Park. We just wanted to come over for the covered bridge and could have a nice little picnic.
Yeah, but we
We
Yeah, we
had
ate
a
late.
late breakfast
We-
because we had a very late.
we
We
slept
woke up
in a
in the
little.
middle of the night.
Yeah,
Storm.
yeah, that kind of.
Yep. Somebody was outside half naked putting the awning up.
It wasn't me.
It wasn't you. Then I got in bed all cold.
I like covered bridges.
Yeah.
After all that rain last night, I get that help.
So cool, huh?
Yeah, the covered bridges of Preble County, Ohio.
Oh, sweet.
So this is number 32, I guess. Probably.
Where'd you find that?
They had flyers in the
Oh.
thing over there.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, I see something to do this fall, maybe.
Yeah. There's Hueston Woods. Well, there's not 32 of them. I don't know why it's number 32.
I don't know.
They probably maybe explain something there.
Take that
It's
with
number
us.
7, where this is.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would be fun.
That would be fun.
Yeah. It's too bad though, all the graffiti, it just totally ruins it. There's like so much graffiti in here.
Yeah.
I
Lots of petroglyphs going here.
Yeah.
What's that?
There was a spider web.
Oh, looking for a spider?
It was big. Big spider web. I said, that's a busy spider. Looks like there's a little less graffiti over here.
Yeah, I think it's harder for they got across the road.
Yeah.
See, there's more pamphlets
And
too.
it's by the, no, there's that many pamphlets on the other
Oh, okay.
side. Yeah, there was actually 2 of those little boxes.
Oh,
So, I don't know, they're 2 different kinds. It's freaking both, I guess. Yeah, it's the same, just different colors. Like a gap from the
Up here?
pathway to the road.
look here.
Yes. Yeah, so you can look down and you can see the road. Pretty cool.
Oh, he's following her again. So Hueston Wood Cover Bridge, definitely
neat, yeah.
something to visit. Hold on.
And they have a camp, picnic area right next to it.
Yeah.
If you want to bring a picnic lunch
Yep,
or something.
picnic area right there.
Yeah.
So,
Nice area.
We're gonna go see what else we can find around here.
Yes.
Okay, we arrived at the Nature Center at Hueston Woods State Park. So here they have some critters in here to see. So we're gonna go in and see what they got. All right, we're hearing the Bobcat has come out, so we're going to go see the Bobcat.
Reminds me of Zelda, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. He does.
The Bobcat doesn't like the noisy kids.
Yeah.
Well, we don't like the noisy kids.
Because he he acts like he wants to go over there, but it's just too noisy.
Oh yeah, it's got a pool of water and
there's a pool over
stuff.
there, yeah. Looks like his food might be over there too, or his
Yeah.
water dish.
So, he's inside the Nature Center.
Well, I think that some of this is for vegetation behind us. What? Oh, he's going in his hole. Maybe not.
going to. Look at this highway. And it's going. It's going. Oh, look what we got here. I think there's more on the other side too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Worker bee.
Yeah.
All of them in there.
All right. Yeah, okay. We may have to come back and film that again.
Yeah.
Because we got invaded by the loud, boisterous types.
They must have got here about the same time we did.
Well, there's a show. Looks like getting ready to start, so maybe everybody will come here for that.
Yeah.
Aw,
What is it?
isn't that pretty?
Aw.
American kestrel.
Aww. Oh, it's the insects, small rodents, and small birds. You don't look like you'd do that.
You look nice.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's got kind of a raptor
Yeah, it does.
face,
It
doesn't
does. Yeah, now that it turns and its beak is hooked. American kestrels are able to see UV light, which allows them to follow the urine trails of rodents like prairie voles.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It is. Over here is a winged hawk.
We'll swing this bed all the way around. Look behind itself.
Oh,
That's wild.
that is. I missed it. I was looking at the
I
hawk.
got it.
Okay. Oh, and it's on here too, right?
Yeah, but it's better on here.
Oh.
There it goes.
Swirling flocks of hawks are known as kettles.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, kettles. It's watching her.
This one's got such a cool face.
It's a barn owl.
Yeah.
Looks like the owl in Harry Potter.
Yeah.
It says they're easier to hear than see. It says if you think they're around, listen closely for their booming "Who cooks for you?" call.
It's under right? It's over in this part of Ohio. Right over here to the lodge here at Hueston Woods. We've stayed here several times, and last time we stayed, we were here for several days and really enjoyed it.
Middle of winter.
Yeah, like coming in the wintertime.
It's
Just
really
look.
pretty, especially if there's some snow.
Yeah, so maybe I'll cut some footage in from then.
Yeah.
And but yeah, it's I like it here. This is like one of the largest A-frame buildings in the country. Yeah, they definitely got more shirts here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's head for the trading post.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, much better. Pool's definitely busy. Yeah, we're hoping to come back here Tuesday, probably for dinner
On the way home.
on the way home.
I won't be as busy either.
No, kind of easy night. We are here to hike this Indian Mound Trail. So we're gonna go in here and see what happens unless we get chased out by the mosquitoes.
Yeah. I see bugs, but I don't know if they're mosquitoes.
Yeah, so into the trail we go.
Here we go. And we don't know. With the rain last night.
Yeah, we don't know how muddy it's gonna be
It'll be muddy.
and all that other stuff. So,
See how far we get.
yep, in we go.
Some mushrooms? Is that a mushroom?
Yeah.
Oh wow. I don't think it's those turkey tail mushrooms. They're pretty. I should have brought my phone for the camera. Oh well.
Okay, there's the trailhead. What's this over here?
I don't know.
Indian Mound. Okay, how many of these are there?
Well, let's see what the.
Oh, I bet that's it right there.
What?
Is that the mound? Yeah, right there. That's the mound, huh?
Oh. Oh, this is it straight
Yeah.
ahead. Oh.
So,
Okay.
Indian.
Adena.
Go ahead.
Adena Indian Mound. CA 500 BC to 400 AD. Dedicated 1981. Oxford. Is that supposed to be Audubon?
Yeah,
But they have a B.
might be how they spelled it back then.
Audubon Society. Audubon Society. Yeah. Might have. Oh, I wonder what's buried there. All sorts of things, probably.
Yeah.
Cool. That's neat.
All right.
Well, that's the mound.
That's the mound.
I thought the mound would be like in the trail somewhere.
I guess not. Well, there's a trail up here.
Yeah. See what it says.
Okay, Indian Mound Trail. Okay. We're at location D.
So right there.
Yeah.
Well, we'll probably just maybe. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Look, we bring that back out here.
We come out at F. Oh, is that over by us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we want to go to this.
But we're at D.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
So we'll take this, go around this, and just follow this
Right.
around.
But we're gonna come out over here, but
Yeah, which is in the campground,
that's in the campground.
which is
okay.
over here by us.
Okay. All right.
We're parked by A.
Oh, okay. We haven't gone up to Ava, have we?
No. Yeah, we're walking along the edge of the park. Night?
Unless we drive somewhere. I don't think we can drive to it or not.
I don't know, I'm done. Oh, look at that, Miss Pearl on the Blackstone.
I like the black stuff.
What are we grilling here for us?
Well, you are grilling.
I am
I
grilling.
was helping a little. But right now we are sauteing some red and green peppers and onions. And eventually it's going to go in with this beef. And in the end, we will hopefully have cheesesteak Philly.
All right.
Yeah, sandwiches. So, yum. This is our first time attempting cheesesteak sandwiches, so we shall see. We didn't get hoagie buns, but we got these mini sub buns, but that'll work.
Well, we had.
That's what we had. Yeah, I forgot to buy the hoagie buns.
We forgot a lot of
We
things.
forgot a lot on this trip.
And we've switched sites, so we're on a different campsite now. Same park, different campsite. We are, since I got my golden Buckeye card, it's only $20 full hookup. So we're gonna stay here into a couple days in a week. I'm gonna drive to work from here. Pearl's gonna stay here and do some Pearl things.
Yep.
And she's gonna do some of her Moms and Prayer stuff.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'll have some stuff about that coming. Maybe we'll get her to vlog a little.
We'll
Anyways,
see.
we'll see.
Haven't decided
All right,
on
I think
that
I gotta
yet.
get to work here
Yeah.
because she's getting ready to
I'm
give me my
hungry.
spatula back.
Yeah. Yum.
All right, Pearl's cracking the whip over here. She's telling me to get to it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
There we go. We gotta get the vegetables cooked first.
Yeah,
It ain't
they-
gonna take very long.
it's on, yay! Check this out. Oh, I lost this thing. Oh, look at that. Looking good.
You need these good Blackstone tools,
Yeah.
not the other wimpy ones. These are like metal.
Oh, they're nice.
All right. That's all done.
Yeah, looks good. Man, those little bugs are all over, aren't they? Oh, I see what you're doing. I'm just gonna make them up right now. I'd do the cheese, but my hands are full. That one can be mine. I don't need any more. That's good. I don't know, there might not be any leftovers, Jim. You're putting quite a bit on those.
Oops.
That's a lot. Oh, well. How are you gonna eat that?
I don't know. Provolone will hold everything together.
Yeah. Let's hope. Get the rest later.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, that smells good. Not a lot of sugar.
All right. What have you been doing all day?
Having some me time.
Having some me time.
Yeah, I kind of working on some Moms in Prayer stuff for a gathering in September.
Did you vlog any?
I forgot.
She forgot.
I forgot.
You can tell her she's into the YouTube thing.
And but I thought about it this afternoon. And by that time, the day was
gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what was I doing?
You were at work.
I was at work.
Yeah.
And you were here.
Yes. Beautiful day.
Beautiful
by the
day.
way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just kind of hanging out.
Yeah. Went for a walk.
Yeah. Just all on your own.
Yeah. It was nice.
Yep. We went out. We went out for dinner tonight. Ate at the lodge. Nope. Sorry, no video.
Yeah.
But anyways,
It was good.
It was good. All right. We're gonna walk the campground. I'm gonna do the A-loop, shoot some video, and kind of catalog the sites. Then I gotta get up. I gotta go to work. It's 7, 6:20 till 7, and I have to go to bed about 9 because I have to get up at 5.
9:30.
9:30. Yeah. Gotta get up at 5. Yuck. So this wasn't a bad site.
No, it's not a bad.
Yeah. So
No shade. Watch out for the bees. But just no shade in the
Yeah,
evening.
no shade in the evenings. And we're on
But
18.
tonight, it doesn't feel that bad.
But my jacks aren't down too much, but I had to really push the rear jacks up to get us level. Alright, so we're in the A loop now, full hookup. This is A1 over here with a downward slope.
Yeah, that full hookup?
Yep, all these are full hookup. This is A2 over here, that's a camp host. See y'all later. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.